November 21st, 75 degrees, and this beautiful nature is just a 10-minute bike ride from my home. It's the prettiest thing. And now I'm biking back. If it's possible. Probably have to walk first. Yeah. I'll get there. So pretty out here. It rained a lot lately, so there's this little creek. It was dried out, but now it's full of life again. The water's muddy though. Okay. Yeah, I'm there. I survived it. Whew. So pretty. Can't believe it. It's so close by my house. So this is the little creek I was talking about. Yeah, it's cool. The weather is so good after all the rain. It's awesome. So yesterday, Caleb and I, we've been swimming in a river. Like, we jumped in 4 times. It was so cool. Yes, this is Turtle Bay, and it's like exploration park. So there's always a lot of people, especially when winter's good. And I love how all the trees are still green at the end of November. So I have no school today because tomorrow is Thanksgiving. And well, yeah, we're eating at a girl's house. Miriam Hammond's family came over, and her mom is cooking us the best Thanksgiving dinner I've ever had, since I never had one. And like, this is the only place, this area where the sky, oh wait, there's, but the wind, it's like all clouds all over the place here, because we're surrounded by mountains. That's actually the reason why it's so rainy here, because the clouds can move further north. This is how we do it. house now because Jordan has a party at 12 and it's like 11:30. Well, I'll just go. Never mind. Yeah, what more to tell? I don't think I can make it. I don't think I can make it to the office in 3 minutes. I have 3 minutes left to record, so just talk a little. Look at all these biking people. It's crazy. My school, so hot. I think it's 80 degrees actually. So that way's downtown. What's up, man? Yeah. I don't really know what to say. Parking lots. Oh, I love going downhill. So fun. I have 2 minutes left. I can make this. So sunny today. Palm trees! I love palm trees, and they're all over the area. Okay. Swimming pool. Just someone's back. 1 minute left. This is a nice street to live. I think this is like average American. Just nice houses, nice yards. See, that's just a yard. I love it. That car's not stopping for the stop sign, which is weird because that's what all Americans do. Yeah, I'm there.